Today is a very special day for one of our clients, and here we are celebrating a handover of the keys from just an idea to booking and construction cycle of 3.5 years. We waited, and now we have the keys in hand for Myra, and Myra is here to celebrate with us this special day for one of our clients, dear clients. Thank you so much for your trust, love, always here to serve you. And see, Myra is here, and one of our team members who is shooting for us is also here. We are at Nakil office and doing this special handover. We got the keys. We have all the documents here for the client, and yeah, all signed, done. And now we are ready to go for the handover. And we wanted to celebrate this moment and wanted to show you everything. This is Lagoon Views Apartments, very special apartment with the Crystal Lagoon and Burj Khalifa. So Myra, we are here at the apartment handover. Let's go. You excited?
I'm really excited.
I'm sure you will love it. Come. And really thank you to all my clients who trust me with their POA and give me opportunity to help them buy one of the dream homes for investment and this kind of property. Let me show you what my client bought in 2022. It's been 3 years and 6 months precisely when this property was bought. Please have the keys, open the apartment. The surprise is waiting for you. Yes.
Wow. This is the entrance? It's so nice. Wow.
Wait, Myra.
This house is beautiful. Wait, is this the entire house? Papa.
This is just your living and dining room.
It's ginormous. The Crystal Lagoon.
Yeah, that's the Crystal Lagoon. The water is not there, but still looks
Yeah.
fine. The water will be, there is some work going on. So they are going to do some maintenance work and put it back.
That's nice. Is that Burj Khalifa? That's Burj Khalifa. Wow. Boba, look, Burj Khalifa. I think he likes it.
Is Boba or Roberts?
Robert? Boba and George. I named
George, yes.
No,
George is-
it's Boba.
Okay, Boba. So what do you want to show Boba?
Everything. He's gonna do the house tour with me.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go to the next place. Let's go to the kitchen. Wow, I can see from here that it already looks so nice. Wow. This kitchen is so pretty. The marble.
Marble countertop. These are the fridge, refrigerator.
Wow, it's so ginormous. I think I could fit in there. Like, it's so big.
Yes, I think you can.
And this is the oven.
Oven, yes.
I could bake like 50 cupcakes for my friends in one go.
Yeah, you can, I think. You can.
I
Big
can.
enough. Let me show you.
Let's see.
With a view, by the way.
Oh
Sunset
my.
view. And the Burj Khalifa view, by the way.
Wow, that's amazing.
With a washroom attached here.
Yes, the washroom is also nice.
Let's go and see other rooms.
Yes. And the kitchen also has such a good view.
Yeah, in fact, kitchen also has a space where people can sit. Your house help, your meal,
The dining
and this
room,
space is for your washing machine.
the storage room,
Yeah. I think you
the
can fit in here.
the boiler
And the
room.
boiler also.
Yes.
For the entire apartment.
For the hot, warm shower.
Let's quickly see the.
Yes, let's.
What do you think about this space?
Actually, this space is very useful because if I want to read here,
Yeah.
I could just make like a reading corner, like the bookshelf could be here, and I could put chairs and a cozy carpet, and I could read.
That's a good idea.
Thank you.
If only we live in this apartment. But
I
it's a
wish.
very good idea.
I wish. Wow.
The bedroom.
The bedroom. The washroom's also really nice. Wow. And the view is also amazing again. And then we have the cupboards. Wait, Papa, look. Well, when I close it, the light goes off. When I open it, the light comes on. That's so cool. Wow, let's.
There's one more.
Yeah, let's go on to the
In
next
fact, this
one.
space also, Myra, you can use as a
Yeah,
library or bookshelves or some
Or
decorates.
figures and stuff.
Yes.
Yeah, this bathroom looks bigger. I mean, yeah, this bathroom looks much bigger. And there are again many cupboards. Wow. This view is amazing.
Can I show you something?
Yeah. Again?
Burj Khalifa.
Wow, look. Boba, look. I think Boba loves the view.
And let me show you the master bedroom now.
The biggest?
The biggest and the best.
Wow, I'm excited for this one.
The best for the last.
Yes. It has a walk-in closet?
Yes.
Wow! Oh my god.
So for his, I think you would not give space to me. Or your mama.
Yes, I will not give
Take
space.
everything. Huh? Again, the lights are same.
Wow.
You have soft clothes.
Yeah, so it doesn't. No problem.
Washrooms also very basic.
Oh, there are two sinks. Like if you are brushing and I'm brushing. Wow. It's very nice and pretty.
You want to take shower now?
No thanks.
Yeah. No thanks. Okay, so this is your master bedroom.
Wow.
The view that's
Yeah, that's amazing.
But yeah, let's just think about it.
Exactly.
Crystal clean water going through. You get up, you have a sun view.
Just imagine
Sunrise
waking
view.
up like to the morning sun and this crystal lagoon. It would be amazing.
I dream to own this kind of place
Yeah.
one day.
Yeah, one day.
But I'm so happy for my client. I'm sure he's going to love it.
Yeah. And then the kids' play area as
And
well.
it's an exclusive swimming pool just for this building lagoon use and the kids
Oh,
play area.
oh, that's nice.
Along with this crystal lagoon.
That's
This is,
so
by the way, you can
nice.
swim in this crystal lagoon. I told you, I think. Yeah.
Oh, oh, there's a helicopter there.
That comes with the apartment.
Nice joke.
You happy?
I love this place.
That's so nice.
This is so cool.
The lights. So the space, which bedroom you want to take, Myra?
The master bedroom.
You are very smart.
Yes, I am.
Okay, then I'll consider living in this room.
This
Big.
is even
With a
bigger.
balcony.
That's not fair.
Great.
At least I have a big closet.
Yes.
I mean, I could.
Let's go down and let me show you the pool and the play area.
Okay.
And there's a gym
Okay.
and the reception area.
Wow, just look at this place. It's so big. And the chandelier? Wow, ginormous. And that fountain is so pretty and aesthetic. Wow. Okay, now let's go check out the pool and the kids' play area. You can already see it.
Yes.
I'm so excited. Wow. I think this is like the gym.
This is the juice bar, sitting
Yeah.
area, storage area.
Storage. Okay, the moment we've all been waiting for. The pool. I just feel like jumping in right now.
Next time.
Wow.
Water is good. That's a full lap. Myra, you know how to swim.
Yes, I know how to swim. It's 1.20 meters.
Who taught you swimming, by the way? Who is your instructor?
You?
Thank you. Very good. For the kids.
Yeah, the kids. For the babies.
Yeah, just not open it. Yeah. But this is the
Closed.
kids area.
That's nice. Okay, let's see what this place is. Oh, this opens automatically. Wow. Oh, this is the kids' room. Look at this. This is the kids'
Yeah,
room.
there's a kids room.
Yeah, it doesn't open right now.
And that's a
The
gym.
gym is so cool. 9 kg ball.
I'll show you from inside.
Okay, yeah, let's go.
They also put a multi-purpose shop which they have closed it. So if you have a birthday party, get together, we can use this.
Oh, that's nice. The admin office, the gym.
Prefer yoga or gym? This is the place. Come.
Wow. It's so big. Wow. There's so many treadmills. There's so many treadmills. And weights and bouncy balls.
Have you tried this?
Yes, can you please hold Boba? Yes, I love bouncy balls. They're so fun to play with. Yeah.
Keep it back.
It's kind of slippery. Thank
Hold
you.
this, I'll keep it back.
Yeah.
Next time when we come.
We're gonna play with it.
Yes. And these are weights, by the way. Oh, 10 kg.
Yeah, I don't think you'll be able to hold
I
it.
can do it. Everything is all kept.
9
Even
kg.
they have not been opened. All in polythene.
Boba, sit here, please. Oh, this is 9 kg.
You were able to?
It doesn't feel like 9 kg.
This is 6 kg, Myra. This is 9 kg.
Oh,
No, this is also 6 kg. You're stronger.
thank you. Yeah, this is 9 kg. Okay, too bad we have to go now from the gym. Wait, we have much more to explore. What's that?
This is just freshly done. They've just kept it.
That's nice.
My clients will be the first mover who are going to use it.
Yeah.
We started using it. Everything is hard.
Yes, I can see that.
Come guys.
Okay, let's go. Move on to the next thing. That's our car. If you shift here, you also get a premium view of our car. Oh, there's also a library.
Oh yeah.
Okay, that's my
Good for you. You
place.
like yes, that's your place. Because you love library. You like
I love books. I don't think there are any books in the library right now. Yes, let's.
Myra, let me surprise you.
Okay.
I told you we have Crystal Lagoon.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, that side of Crystal Lagoon was under maintenance.
Okay.
Let me show you how it's going to look like. So we are in District 1, but Crystal Lagoon you couldn't see, but the kind of views you will going to get from the apartment is going to be mesmerizing. And you say in your words, okay?
Okay.
Let me close your eyes.
Okay.
Okay, keep walking, keep walking,
Okay.
keep walking.
Boba, at
On
least
this
you
side
look.
left. Boba is watching as well.
Wait, let me close Boba's eyes. I'm scared I'm gonna bump somewhere.
You come from this side.
Okay. Oh, okay. You turn.
Okay, stand here and
Oh, oh! Wow! So pretty! Wait, can I go that?
yes.
This place looks amazing! I wanna go in!
Directly from your apartment.
Look, Boba! Whee! Oh.
So this is how the crystal, the beach feel they have given. With the view of
Wow.
crystal.
Wow. The water is nice. Hey! I wanna go in!
Amazing.
Yes. And the Burj Khalifa is there.
And the Burj Khalifa is that also.
Look, Boba. I think Boba loves it.
So that's the lifestyle you guys get here. Let me use it. So that's the lifestyle you guys get here when you live in Crystal Lagoon. Thank you again. I just wanted to show you exactly what it is with the view, and of course for our happiness, Myra was there to share the happiness as well. And of course Myra is also here to cherish this and see what it is. And now she's going to get this kind of apartment for her daddy and mama
And for myself.
and for yourself.
And
Because
for Boba.
Why you? What you do? We have to go back. Come.
My shoes didn't get wet.
Yes. Thank you so much.
And again, if you shift here, you get one more view of our premium, a premium view of our car.
That's very funny, but I wish. You liked it?
I love this place.
So it was worth your Saturday spend, huh?
Yes.
Rather than sitting in home or going to the mall.
Yeah.
Day well spent, where we saw one of the best properties we
In
can
the
see.
world.
Yes. Let's go. Let me show you around the company.
Yes.
The entire process of handover, from snagging to the handover, along with Myra. I was fortunate to bring Myra today. It was Saturday, and yeah, that was it. That's a very raw content we created as it is. And as I always say, serve with heart and deliver with results. This is what it is. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Please subscribe, and if you like, do share with your friends and family. My regards to you all. Thank you.